Every week I ask myself, can the boys on DigFellas ratchet up the excitement another notch? And every week the DigFellas answer, hell yeah.
Oh, damn!
Holy
what the? That's
No, what is it?
pre-Civil War plate.
Texas, right?
Dude, there's an 88. The box.
Oh, there's it is. Look at that.
What? Chicken Hawk GW? Yeah.
No
Sweet.
way.
Hey.
Man, I'd love to. Well, we're out here having a great time with you, Billy. This is awesome.
Oh, damn.
It's inscribed. There's some lettering on it. I see something lettering.
Don't clean it any more than that.
I'm not gonna.
No water, nothing. Newbie juice.
It's purple.
A purple
Oh my
stone.
God.
Looks Victorian. Newbie juice. Newbie juice. Three-legger.
That's what I, that's what I was calling out. I'm like,
Three-legger.
The one and only Bill Ladd.
We're hardcore diggers and we'll do whatever it takes to get to the treasure. Yeah! Our finds are legendary.
Yeah! Yeah!
I'm the best. I'm a cover boy.
No, it's on Dennisonville Road. No kidding.
The Wild Man.
That's the wild man?
Rick the Wild Man. And Mike's in the Jeep.
1739.
This is all the
amazing.
stuff this site's producing, like, what, your first hunt in like 3 hours?
Yep.
The one and only Bill Ladd.
So, this site's got definite huge potential.
Oh my lord.
This thing is so sweet. That had to be like a servant's. The water boy brought the water to the rest of the field hands, so.
And I brought a whole cooler of water today too.
you are.
So that's, you got the title. You earned that.
You got a nickname. The
Water boy.
I want to find this. It has to be that the slave or the landowner had pins made for his servants. Thing is sick. I want something like that.
Man.
That's better than the coins, in my opinion. That's a haul there, and we're gonna find some more today. Someone's gonna come up big. That pull off there, and it's not too far in. You would think this hole's been pounded. My first signal, right here, was an Indian head. Second signal over there was a wheat pen, and I said, if this was hunted, they didn't do a very good job.
Come out before.
All I'm gonna say is, I think this beats you, bud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
I'm gonna have to. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I hope you got a gold coin. I hope you got a tree coin, GW.
No, it's not cool.
I want you to stack it, bro. I haven't even seen it built.
That means
I want Bill.
where is it? Here?
Yeah.
oh boy.
A plate? What do you got?
Oh,
damn!
Holy
What the? That's
No, what is it?
pre-Civil War plate.
Texas, right?
Oh my God.
No, I think it's Maine or something. I'll get my Civil War guys to.
Dude, the hair. Look at the
I
hair.
see.
Look at the goose.
You know, it's so funny. I had a feel someone was gonna dig a plate. I don't know what it was.
Damn!
Wow.
Thanks for calling me over. You want to trade for a silver pillbox? WTF! Damn. I've been texting Civil War guys, people saying militia plate, some people saying Texas. I know Maine had a star. Don't clean it any more than that.
I'm not gonna.
No water, nothing.
Oh my God.
That thing is crazy. Hey, look. Howard came along today. This is as close as Howard's gonna get to a sweet cellar hole since he's stuck in the house. Oh yeah, coinage! It is an Indian head. Not too
Sweet.
bad. Pulled it out of the nails with a big coil. That's alright, it's my first coin of the day.
Awesome.
Yep. We know it's not a fatty or the first year one like I got in the last video, because you see the shield there. Yeah. Shut up, groupie. Damn freaking groupies. We'll get a date in a minute, but this is the side that... There's always one side that's probably facing down that's better than the other one. Sweet. Right out of the nails. Look how close we are to this hole. Cellar holes. Alright, look how close I am to the cellar. And all these freaking nails by the staircase here that everybody's hit. And there's a million nails. Look what I just yanked out of the nails.
That's cool.
It's like a little frame. It's got a pin. Well, let's see if it'll focus in there. See the pin? Might have been a little picture in it or something.
A brooch maybe?
Yeah, it's cool.
That's cool.
Just to pull that out of the relic like that, out of those nails, is awesome. With a big coil too. And just to mention that, a lot of people probably asking why I didn't switch to the small coil. And the reason is there's 3 inches of pine straw that we've been mentioning. So I think I need the depth of this coil. So I'm just working the iron with the iron audio.
I found the Colonial Mercedes.
Oh yeah. Alright, everybody's working around the foundation now. And I got the smaller coil on. 5x8. This is the Mars. And look at this little thing. We'll just rip this out of the nails. Looks like maybe a little watch winder. Too small to be a draw pull. Could also be one of those things that turn the lamp, you know, turn the wick up and down. It's kind of cool though. It's solid brass. Another cool relic for this site. Check this out. Crazy looking animal pens or whatever. It's just a complete squared off animal pen. And you ain't getting a coil in there right now. This is going to be a whole nother group hunt when all these ferns are gone. Alright, so here we go. We're out in the fields here. These were the farm fields and these are the border walls, and I got a signal right here. And I think I see it. Oh yeah. Common find. Working the fields, losing your heel plate. I always call these toe taps, but I think they're a heel plate, one or the other. Civil Warrior probably. Let's keep going. Yeah, alright John, got a real
Just
nice signal.
High signal here. At the edge of something showing here.
Yeah. Shoe buckle or something, be sick. I just said shoe buckle, didn't I? Is that what it is? Oh yeah, hell yeah! It's all there! Damn, that's sick! That is killer!
So it's ornate around the edge.
Oh damn! Usually they're all in pieces.
It still works.
Be careful though, that's been there since 1770 something.
Really?
Oh damn! Yeah. That is sick! That is sweet, dude.
There it is.
That
Look,
is awesome.
Fits the Jordan perfect.
Dude, didn't I say shoe buckle
I'm
or
getting
something?
other signals.
There's
as
the
well.
hyphens here. Get the other half. Imagine that. A pair of buckles.
Wow.
Dude, you got a
It is
pair of
getting an
buckles in
82.
there?
Give me the pinpoint, please.
Oh, that is sweet. Let me see this baby. Dude, if you got a pair of buckles.
Nah.
There's something else there though.
Oh.
Oh, it's another buckle, but it's not a shoe. Maybe they threw a bunch of clothes in here though. Is that possible?
Yeah, look at that. Check that thing out.
Or is that a knee buckle? Because that's not a... I thought that was an iron buckle. It's not. It's some other kind of buckle. Square one. But it's brass. Didn't you have something back there too?
What they were running or they fell maybe?
Yeah, or throw out some.
That's reading low 30s.
Might be in an iron patch
47,
now.
61,
That is
50,
sick, dude.
58.
That is awesome. That was worth coming back
What
for
about this
this.
here with the 50?
See what we got.
Oh, well, looky here. We have ourselves a pork chop. Otherwise known as a toothless hippie special. You can make hour-long videos and that'll be your best find, right? So go fetch, hippie. Ready? Fetch it.
Right in here somewhere. Right here.
Oh yeah, let's see. There's something out of the ground. Where's it at? Where's it at? Like a button for sure.
Oh.
Yeah, there's the shank. Let's see. Yup. Look at that, people. And it's pretty crusty here. That'd be neat if there's something on it. Military button. I'm gonna fingernail it and see for the people at home. I think we have just a plain, but that's a good sign. I just dug that pork chop and this looks like that's a Colonial button. Late 17s, I would guess. Nice. You get a signal, blow your ears off. Damn, what the hell? It does look like a locomotive.
Does it look like an old locomotive? It does, really, huh?
Hey, the train came through
It's
here.
like this thick.
That blew your ears off, I bet. Is it brass? We could scrap that thing. No, you know what? Repurpose that into a kitchen table.
That's fucking.
Put glass on it. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Insane.
It's all steel, huh? Yep.
Damn.
Look, it moves.
That blew your ears off, I bet. Whoa, we can roll that out of here.
Right there. Road's right there. It's gonna be some kind of. You think it's a gear or something?
It's
a wheel.
How early?
That's early.
Yeah.
That's early.
I thought they had like wooden spoke ones. This is totally
This is all
solid.
solid steel, man.
Damn.
They had the money. Get the ones that didn't
Yeah.
wear out.
Yeah. Let's do it. The road's right
Hitting the
there.
rocks.
Roll it out.
Lift it up. We have an edge to keep it on the track.
I think it's an old tractor wheel.
That's what I was
All right, we got it up and out of the ground.
What would they have? 20 horses pulling this?
Yeah.
How many ox would it take to pull ox?
Shit, huh?
Strong.
Unbelievable.
I don't know what it is.
Did that blow your ears off?
Something's broken off it.
Big bolt, nut and bolt.
Something goes right there. That's gone.
That was a solid signal. Get an overload?
Look, there's where it broke. Why it looks like they might have took it off.
3.5 inches.
We're still working the nails here. Look at this one. That's him something. Oh yeah, baby, yes! Working the iron. Clean out all the nails for me. That was a little clip in between all these friggin' nails, but look at the size of the target. A big friggin' jackknife. How can you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Still got some wood on it, that's Civil War era, but that just shows you the relics that are hiding in these nails. Gotta work it like you said, work it slow. Alright, my scrape has been a good success so far. Pulling all kinds of stuff out, watch this. Nails are a 4 and it's picking out each individual one. Now watch this. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, 47 is button range on this detector.
Yep, look at that little cuff button in the hand right there. Little cuff button. There we go. Fingernail time. And there's nothing on it. Oh well. Pulling a button out of the nails. Nothing wrong with that. You just flipped out this interesting cover. It could be like from like Civil War or ration can era. Could probably look up Joseph Pickering, is it? Sheffield is probably England. That's a interesting relic. Probably date it later. Let's keep going. Cellars right there. Yeah, we just found the well. They put a rock on it. Usually they put a capstone on it so no one... Oh, look at this guy. This dude is hanging out. This is like Wildlife City today. Look at this guy. Little toad hanging out by the well. He's kind of buried himself. It's so hot today. But yeah, look at these. Always fascinate me. There's still water in there. See it way down there? Beautiful. Unbelievable that they built these things and they're still intact. He's going to do a little magnet fishing here. I've never filmed that before, so curious. Let's give it a roll.
There's definitely enough water down there.
Yeah, they could still use this today. That's the amazing thing.
And then she's touching down. Oh yeah, she's going. Look. She's going and going. All right, so she's down. She went down another good 6 feet.
Is it hit the bottom?
Yep, it's a little murky. I can feel like sticks and leaves and whatnot. So I'm just gonna move it around a little bit, see if we can catch anything. You never know.
Let me hang on to your feet, Josh.
Hey, I'm a good swimmer.
People go down these. People are crazy.
I just watched a video guy dug one out. It's pretty wild.
I used to have to go down.
Did he get anything? I had a friend dig one out and he got like period shoes that were down in the mud.
Some
and
toe
everything.
taps
Yeah.
and some bottles. I don't feel nothing.
Still crazy though. What if the sidewall let go or something?
Yeah, you never know.
You think of the way to design.
Oh, dude, it went in that way.
It's almost.
That's where the secret tunnels are.
Stop. The artesian wells.
Wonder if this was like a little corral or something because it's small. And when you find something like this, hopefully this is a lucky horseshoe and a coin or something is coming up. All right, let's go. It's time. Time to play horseshoes. Let's find a stake here. Oh yeah, look at that. Ringer! Booyah! Alright, here's another one. I'm gonna hang this right here so the next guy knows Bill Ladd was here. He might as well leave. Alright, people are gradually packing up and I wanted to show my tally. I'm pretty happy because I worked the iron most of the day to pull out all these small little things, and I saw we got to film some fantastic finds today. Look at how that little pillbox or snuff box really stands out. There's some kind of box there with some words on it. I got Indian head, couple buttons, underwear button. That thing is sweet, that box. Great day. Great dig, great bunch of guys, and we'll do it again when all these freaking ferns are gone.
I see you're drinking 1%. Is that because you think you're fat?
That didn't match up. Napoleon, what do you think of that bulletin wood?
I'm voting for Pedro Sanchez. Who do you think?